Okay, so if you have an F66 error on your Miele dryer, that basically means that you need to clean the lint filter. So obviously there's the lint filter that's on the inside of the dryer that you clean after every cycle. But after a certain time, you'll see that this will turn red or yellow. This will light up, and that means that you need to clean the other filter, and if you go too long, you'll end up getting an F66 error. And so what we want to do here is just to come in here, pop this open, pull this out, and we want to clean this filter. You can see it on this side. This whole layer of stuff needs to be cleaned out. You can just take the plastic piece off and rinse it and clean it thoroughly under running water. And then you'll see the plastic piece goes back in. There's only one way for it to go in based on where the plastic lines up. So you clean that out and put that back in, and your F66 error will be gone. I hope this helped, and if it did, please leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching.